Hey everyone! Today, I want to show you the quickest and simplest way to earn money on TikTok in 2024. No time to waste, let's dive right into the video. I'm here to share a game-changing method with you, how to make $10,000 in the next 100 days. Making money on TikTok has never been easier, and you've probably seen many using this on their For You page. I've broken down the process into easy-to-follow steps. TikTok has introduced a new feature called TikTok Shop, where you can tag a product in your video's description. This boosts your video's visibility significantly. Making a great video and tagging a product can help your video reach 10K to 1 million views. Step 1. Create a theme page around your interests, whether it's podcast clips, book quotes, streaming clips, or anything else. Popular niches are wealth, health, and relationships. The beauty of this is you don't need to show your face. Repurpose videos from YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram on your TikTok page. Now, with the new TikTok update, you don't even need a physical product. You can sell informational content, link it to your video, and make money. Step 2. Create a digital product or course, which you'll be tagging in your videos. The focus isn't solely on course sales, it helps boost the algorithm. Many theme pages create courses about making money on TikTok and sell them through their videos. The ultimate goal is to go viral quickly and frequently to join the TikTok Creator Program, where you'll get paid per view on your content. So, in summary, viral theme page content, algorithm boost from TikTok Shop, sales of the digital product. Combine these and you're looking at some serious income. Depending on your niche, TikTok pays around $1 per 1,000 views. If you're getting 1 million views a month, that's $1,000, and with 10 million views, it's $10,000 a month. Isn't that incredible? Please follow, like, and share for more amazing content like this.